Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. Before we kickstart the video, I wanted to show you something. Well, this book that I'm showing you right now is one of the most amazingly written book. It kind of teaches you what the actual present in life is. You might be wondering, am I pivoting my channel into a motivational channel? Well, no. The whole video is still data science driven, but I wanted to give you context. There are so many good books out there, good novels out there that you should read. But to be very honest, we fall short of time. If you want a quick summary of a book, it is here that data science and machine learning can help. I recently came across an amazing package. I won't disclose the name because you wouldn't see the entire video, and I want you to see the entire video. So I recently came across a new amazing package that can help you summarize documents and books. So you can feed in good amount of text and essentially you would get a summary. You can also fine tune the summary in terms of how many lines you require and so on and so forth. So I'm pretty sure all of you are now excited to look at how you can summarize your text. So without wasting any further time, let's kickstart the video. Make sure to subscribe for more videos on data science and machine learning. In the implementation part of the video, I'll use the text version of the book that I just showed you, that is The Present by Spencer Johnson. I'll try to extract a 5 and 10 line summary of the book using the amazing library that I've discovered, which is BERT Extractive Summarizer. Before I start with the actual implementation, a big shout out to Derek Miller for open sourcing BERT Extractive Summarizer, which is essentially an easy to use extractive text summarization library with BERT. I'll add the link to the repository in the description section of the video. Feel free to star and fork the repository. Before we jump and start using the amazing library, we'll have to first install it. So let me go forward and install the necessary modules. Now that the installation is done, let me go forward and import Summarizer from Summarizer as well as pprint from pprint. So let me go forward and run this. I have the entire novel, that is The Present by Spencer Johnson, in form of a text file which I load into a string variable called as data. There are some unwanted characters which I would replace by an empty string. So let me go forward and do that. Let me now go forward and show you the first 100 characters of the string data. So the first 100 characters of the variable data read as follows. Late one afternoon, Bill Green received an urgent phone call from Liz Michaels, who he used to work with. So I have my text ready. All I need to do right now is pass this text through the amazing Summarizer library and let's see what kind of a summary is generated. In order to do that, the first thing that I'll do is I'll create an instance of the class Summarizer and save it into a variable called as model. Now the next thing that I'll do is I'll pass the data, that is the string variable that contains the entire novel, into this instance that I created, that is model. I'll also specify the number of sentences, which essentially mean how many sentences do I want in my summary. So in the first case, I'll specify that the number of sentences should be 5 and I'll also specify the minimum length to be equal to 60. So let me go forward and run this cell. This process will take a while depending upon your hardware resources as well as the size of the string variable that you have. Now that the result is ready, Let me go forward and join the result using an empty string and save it into a variable called as full. Let me now go forward and print the summary. So the summary goes like this. Late one afternoon, Bill Green received an urgent phone call from Liz Michaels, who he used to work with. When you do not use your feelings about the past to learn from your experiences, you lose the joy of the present. That day, he worked hard at staying fully engaged in the present moment. So, based on the results that I'm seeing right now and basis the book that I've read, I could see that it's kind of brought out the summary really well. It kind of encapsulates what the book is all about. So for a very, very big book, I think 5 lines would be like a very small number in order to summarize that text. Let me go forward and change the number of sentences to 10 and let's see what the results are. So as you can clearly see, this is the entire summary that has been captured in 10 lines. Now it will give you context in terms of how the story runs, as well as it also gives out major points as well in terms of what the present is and how you should utilize the present in your current day-to-day life. So overall, based on my understanding, I think BERT Extractive Summarizer is doing an amazing job in catching hold of like a big corpus of text and creating a summary out of it. So yet again, a big shout out to the creator who's kind of created this amazing library. And I'm pretty sure you would like to explore this and try it out with your custom novels that you have. So this is all that I had in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like the content that I post on my channel, it would be super motivating if you can press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to be notified for amazing videos on data science and machine learning. Thank you so much for watching the video.